everybody, I'm Kathy. This is Handmade Happy Hour. Thanks so much for joining me today. I've got a really fun DIY ornament to share with you. I'm making this cute Mickey snowball fight ornament. Now this is almost all Dollar Tree items. I got the little upside down mason jar and my figurine there, but I added a few little pom-pom snowballs. This is so easy to do. I'm using Mod Podge and hot glue to pull the whole thing together. Let's dive into the making.
I got my ornament and my little Mickey Mouse at Dollar Tree. I'm just removing the base, and then I'm removing Mickey from this packaging, which actually was harder than it looks. Look how cute he is, and his arms are stretched out perfect for a snowball. So I'm using some red felt just to cut a little Santa hat to put on top of Mickey. Now I did layer this up after I had glued it onto Mickey, and it would probably have been a lot easier to just make the little hat first and glue it on. But you know, I was working as I was going, so here we go. Let's add a pom-pom to the top, just using a little hot glue. If you were doing with this project with kids, you could easily use some tacky glue there. Go ahead and glue a pom-pom to his hand like he's throwing a snowball. Next, I'm going to add a little white trim here along the hat. Again, it would have been so much easier to glue all this down off of Mickey. Now, a little dot of hot glue to the base of his foot, and I'm going to put him in the almost center of the base of the ornament. Now I'm going to use some Mod Podge just to glue down some of these foam snow pieces. So I'm pulling that up on the bottom. Some of the snow will be loose, so when you shake it, it will snow a bit. But this way, you have the base glued down right around his feet. Now on top of that, I'm going to hot glue in some of these larger white pom-poms just to be some bigger snowballs, like he's getting ready for a snowball fight. So just layer some of those up. I've got little tiny ones and I've got some bigger ones. I kind of like layering the different sizes. And now basically you just put that dome back on there, give it a screw, and that's how quick you can make a custom DIY Mickey ornament.
Thank you guys so much for being here with me today. I really appreciate all your hearts and your loves and your subscribes. It means the world to me. Now this Mickey Mouse is so cute. I cannot wait to put it on my tree. But if Mickey is not your style, make sure you check out Dollar Tree toy section because they have so many different of these figurines. There's everything from Barbie and Monster High to your Toy Story figurines and all of your action figures too. All right, I'll be back here soon with another fun project video or shopping journey to share with you. And until then, have a super crafty week. Bye.